All Mathios Stone veneer products are delivered in cartons with an additional plastic protection between them. We clean the substrate from dust and dirt for good accretion of the mortar shapes, thickness and textures. Level out the first line of where the stones will be placed. Add mortar, taking into consideration the amount of water for good accretion and the right consistency. Since the back surface of the stone is dry, wet it with water to avoid the absorption of the water of the mortar. If the installation includes application of corners, then begin from the corner of the wall and continue the installation in line with the flat elements. Apply mortar at the back surface of the stone as much as possible so there is no gap between the stone and the surface. When laying the mortar on the back surface of the stone, the quantity should be generous so that when applying pressure, it overflows from the sides of the stone. Apply mortar on the installation surface as much as needed so that it does not dry out when installing the stone. Apply the stone by pressing hard to ensure a very good adherence of the mortar in the back surface of the stone. Provided that there is a joint, in order to stabilize the stones, small spacers can be used where it is needed. When installing the joint, the creation of vertical joint in parallel lines must be avoided. For the installation, use a pastry bag or a grouting gun. Press the pastry bag or the grouting gun so as the embouchure fills gradually the gap with mortar. If mortar gets on the surface of the stone before it hardens, after half or 1 hour, brush off the mortar with a soft bronze-wired brush or hard plastic. Having completed the installation procedure, we have a project that combines constructive perfection and aesthetics.